Hey guys, I just wanted to show you a quick video of my new drill that I got. It's really cool. I am very excited and impressed about the way they wrap it and all that cool stuff. I love these bags because they're the ones that have the I don't know what they're called honestly, but they have this metal trim around it, so you can fold them like this, but they'll never get wrinkled. So that's really cool. I'm not gonna even bother opening it right now because I'm trying to make the video. But here's your operation instructions manual, and this is how it comes. It's a regular size drill, and I love that it comes with all these little items to hang it on the wall or whatever. It's got a battery, which is always a plus. Here's very nice heavy duty battery. It comes with a charger, which is even better. I highly recommend it. And you get, I'm not sure what this is. Let me check real quick. Oh, nice. All right, cool. So it comes with a little case. I did not knew this, but this is pretty awesome, guys. It's actually got thing for you can put it on your pocket, and it opens. Let me see if I don't make a mess. Okay, cool. And it's got all the drill bits. I've never seen it like this before. I guess I'm a little outdated, but this is so cool. I think my husband's gonna love it. It's got all the sizes, and you can keep them nicely organized. This is awesome. I love it. I guess I'm gonna keep this drill for myself instead of giving it to him because it's so cool. Wow, this is pretty awesome. And what else can I say about this? I mean, honestly, I highly recommend it. It's great quality. Everything that I touched so far is heavy duty made, so it's totally worth the purchase. I highly recommend it. It's always nice to have a high quality drill set, and this one is definitely the way to go. These bad boys, I already took it out and I put it back, so I'm not gonna bother, but I love it. I love it, and I highly recommend it, guys. You should definitely get it.
So, a quick review on my DCK hammer drill. Charging station, 20-volt battery, which is more than enough power for every job I have. And look at this. Lightweight, easy to use, super convenient, and has replaced every other drill in my possession. The key is a versatility. I've used it on concrete block, such as this. In fact, there's a job that I've done going into wood and the concrete using this drill. And the tools that they provide you all come with it. The drill bits, everything at a very reasonable price. Really amazing. Can't say enough about it. And again, everything fits in this handy pouch, which will forever be part of my toolkit.